Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the Google Sheet automation in which we will be loading a huge set of data, around 220,000 entries, and we will be removing some of the entries, filtering out which are unsubscribers. So let's get started. So first step is to load the main database. So I'll click on import, click on upload, and then either I can drag and drop the file or I can simply double click on it. The file will get uploaded. And as you can see, I have clicked the first cell so that I can get started the data entry from this cell. So I'll click on this replace data at the selected cell. You can always uncheck this because we are not going to modify the data, and click import. This way, we'll be able to upload the database file. Depending on the internet connection, it will take few seconds to, yep, it will just take few seconds, not even a minute. Okay, so the data started uploading. Now let me try uploading the unsubscribers from the text file. Let's see if that can be done. Otherwise, we can always copy paste the data from there. So let's try import, upload, browse. That doesn't matter. We can start the data from here as well. All right. It seems the data got uploaded directly from the text file. Okay, we have the data from the database. We have the data and we have the unsubscribers. So now what you need to do, go to this custom menu, which is a new menu option. All right, the menu is not showing. Let me refresh the file so that I can see the menu. I just refreshed the file. This is not the part of the demo, but yeah, to see the menu, you always need to refresh the file if not showing properly. All right, so now the menu is showing clearly. Now I will click on this create new list, and currently you can see the new list tab is empty, and I can click on this. Maybe it's working or something. So I can wait for this loading cells. No, it's working, not working. Okay, so create new list. So first step, upload the data in the database, upload the unsubscribers, and then click this create new list. And this will give us the desired results. All right, so we have the data in here. And just to show the summary, let's jump in here and you can see we have a deficiency of this minus this. So 1111 entries are got skipped from this from the original data, and in the final data we have only tetra 1. Yep, all the entries from the. Okay, let me refresh it. Let me show the whole process again. But before doing that, let me show you the next option, which is clear all. So next time, for example, if you are doing the same thing again and again in the same hour or maybe same day, and obviously you want to clear the data and then upload the new data. In that case, you do not have to do it manually. You can simply click this clear all and it will clear all the tabs. You can see this is clear. Unsubscribers are clear, and there is no data in the new list as well. Again, so you can start time maybe now, and let's see. So file, import, upload, database, replace the file, do not make changes, just import it. I'll again go to this file, import, upload, browse, and select the unsubscribers list. Again, uncheck the box and upload the data in these unsubscribers. You can always make sure that the data is here, which is here. Yep, we have all the data entries. Now you just need to click on this create new list. And here we should have our furnished list. So I think it's a whole process of not more than 2 minutes. So now you want to get these results out. Let's see the result. Yeah, the same result. Okay, so now you need to have this result on your as a CSV on your system. This is how you can get it. Download, comma separated CSV, and the file is ready. All right, so here you can see we have the file ready, which has two entries, the list of names and the list of email addresses, and all the unsubscriber list, which is this one, are if those are available in the main database, those are excluded. So that is it from my side. I hope you like it. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.